Hi, today is January 31st, and here is your 5-minute video to a lifetime of profits. Thanks a lot. Welcome to StockTradingSoftwareReview.com. I want to show you one of my favorite setups here. Basically, when you wake up and you see a stock that looks like this, you better be buying quick. Okay? What we have here is your 8MA, your 8-day moving average is sloping up here, okay, and your blue 21MA is sloping up, and your 50-day moving average is sloping up. So this is a very, very good stock to get into. So that's the first thing. So we're going to get in here on our first buy here, and what's going to happen is we're going to buy at 40.20, 300 shares. As soon as that executes, as close to 40.20 as possible here, right on this third bar that is showing a confirmation because it's been, well, the biggest confirmation is that the candle closes over R1 here. So that's pretty important. So the second thing that's happening here is we're in the trade, and now we need to set up our sell stop, okay? And we'll do that 2% below our buy-in. And as you remember, the buy-in was right here, okay? So now we're in the trade. We've got our safety net in place. We have nothing to worry about, okay? So now we watch this trade confirm why we got into it, because it looks so strong with the moving averages sloping so high. So as you can see, it goes up and up and up. Our first sell signal is the PARS. If you don't know what the PARS is, we'll have to go in that another time. If you go to Stock Trading Software Review, I show you how to set up this whole chart with the different moving averages, with the PARS, and so forth. Your second sell signal, your first sell signal becomes on the PARS, which is right down here at 41.14. So you've sold 100 of your 300 shares. You let the next 200 ride until you either get a candle, a full candle that crosses below, which technically this one right here is, but as I see the sloping up 21MA, I know that I don't need to really worry too much about that, so I let it ride. I also have R2 below here. So now I've stayed in the trade. I've got 200 shares. The next sell signal is a cross of the 8MA below the 21MA. Remember, the 8MA is the yellow, the 21 is the blue, and once that crosses, that's a definite sell signal. So that's your second piece. Now you have sold another 100 shares, and you're holding 100 shares. After you've sold your second 100 shares, you will raise your stop to break even, which is right about there, okay? Now you're playing with the casino's money, which is always nice. You've made $2, $2.20 already on this trade. You're still holding 100, and as you can see, you keep holding, and now the fruits of your labor have really come to you, because now basically where you're at is the closing bell. You have not had another sell signal. You got your 100 shares, and now you get $2 on that last 100 shares, and as you can see, you sell at the close here, and you've made $4 on this trade, very conservatively. Again, your sell stop was at 2%, which would have been I think, let's see, 2% of 40 is, what is that, $1.20 or something? So what, 39? Anyways, you have at least a 4-to-1 risk reward on this, which turned out really nice. So thank you. I hope this helps. And that is your first 5-minute daily video from StockTradingSoftwareReview.com.